To block contact on Realme 14 Pro Plus, there are 3 ways to do this, and all you have to do is simply go into your phone application, and from here, as you are in the recents, you can block your number which is available in this list by pressing and holding on any number that is available right here and pressing this block/report spam. As you press this one, simply you can block it. You can also additionally select to report call as spam, and that's how to do this. Press this block button and that's how to block it. That's the first way to do this. The second one is you can block your contacts from your list as you go into your contacts. From here you can also select any contact that you want to block, and from here scroll all the way down, and here you can find block numbers. At this button, simply press this one, and also you can additionally report as spam, and here's the button to block it. And this is the second way to do this, and the third way is you have to press 3 dots on the top right corner and go into the settings. From here go for the blocked numbers, and there you can add a phone number to block. Simply go in there, and here you can type in any number that you want to block and then press this button right here, and as you can see this number right now has been blocked. So these are these 3 ways to block the numbers.